want to save this video so you can always come back later. 1. Not everything you lose is a loss. Some things are a freedom. Some things are second chance. Some things are a miracle in disguise. Some things are a long-needed detachment, a clarity brought to blurry eyes. 2. It will all eventually get better. Without any sort of explanation, one day you will just realize that you're no longer upset. You're no longer mad, hurt, or bothered by the things that took so much of your energy and thought. You will find yourself in a peaceful place. Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. 3. Maturing is realizing that overplaying your part in people's lives to prove your loyalty is only proving how much less you value yourself. Match your energy with their energy. It hurts, but it will make space for the people that are supposed to be in your life. Lastly, 4. Sometimes letting go is simply allowing yourself to come to terms with the truth. You'll realize that you have been watering dead plants for a long time now. Drop a 100 if you watched this far, and if this video helped in some way, this account is definitely for you.
Welcome to a comprehensive do-it-yourself or DIY guide on how to prepare your lawsuit, presented by yours truly, Jimmy Lewis. I want to emphasize that I am not an attorney, but I am currently in the process of assembling my lawsuit, which will be pleaded by a licensed California bar attorney in federal court. While it's highly recommended to seek legal counsel when facing a legal dispute, we understand that some individuals may choose to undertake the process themselves. This video will provide you with a step-by-step breakdown of how to create a lawsuit template for educational purposes, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process involved. Disclaimer: before we begin, it's crucial to note that representing yourself in court, also known as pro se representation, can be a complex and challenging endeavor. Legal matters often involve intricate laws, rules, and procedures that can vary by jurisdiction. While we provide this guide as a starting point, we strongly advise consulting with an attorney for your specific case. Legal professionals bring expertise and experience that can greatly improve your chances of success. Step 1. Caption. In any lawsuit document, the first section is the caption. This section serves as the header of your legal document and provides essential information. It includes the full name of the court where your case will be heard, the unique case number assigned by the court, the names of the parties involved, specifically, the plaintiff, the party initiating the lawsuit, and the defendant, the party being sued. By properly filling out the caption, you ensure that your case is identified correctly, which is vital for the court's record-keeping. Step 2. Introduction. Moving on to the introduction section, here's where you set the stage for your lawsuit. You'll briefly outline the nature of the case. What is the dispute about? Is it a contract issue, a personal injury claim, or something else? A general overview of the case. Provide a high-level description of the facts and why you are taking legal action. This section helps the court and the opposing party understand the basic context of your lawsuit. Step 3. Jurisdiction and venue. Jurisdiction and venue are crucial legal concepts that determine which court will hear your case and where it will take place. Jurisdiction refers to the court's authority to hear the case. You'll need to explain why the chosen court has the power to adjudicate your matter. Venue specifies the appropriate location for the trial. You'll need to justify why the selected venue is suitable for your case. Understanding and correctly addressing these elements is essential to ensure your lawsuit is filed in the right place and by the appropriate court. Step 4. Parties. Now, let's focus on the parties involved in the lawsuit. The plaintiff. This is the person or entity initiating the legal action. You'll need to provide their full legal name, address, and any relevant background information. The defendant. This is the person or entity against whom the lawsuit is filed. Just like with the plaintiff, you'll need to include their full legal name, address, and any pertinent details. Accurately identifying the parties is crucial, as it clarifies who is making the claims and who is defending against them. Step 5. Factual allegations. One of the most critical sections of your lawsuit template is the factual allegations. Here's where you present a detailed account of the events that led to the dispute. Create a chronological and coherent narrative of what happened. Include dates, locations, and individuals involved to provide a clear and compelling story. This section lays the foundation for your legal claims and serves as the basis for your lawsuit's arguments. Step 6. Legal claims. With your facts in order, you'll proceed to the legal claims section. Specify each legal cause of action or claim you are pursuing. Cite the relevant statutes, regulations, or legal principles that support your claims. This part connects your factual allegations to the legal theories you're relying on, providing the legal framework for your case. Step 7. Prayer for relief. In this section, you'll articulate what you are seeking from the court as a remedy or relief. Specify the outcomes you desire, whether it's monetary damages, an injunction, or another form of court-ordered action. Be clear and concise in your requests. This part defines what you hope to achieve through your lawsuit. Step 8. Verification. Last but not least, include a verification statement. This statement is often signed by the plaintiff or their attorney, affirming the truth of the allegations to the best of their knowledge. By including a verification, you attest to the accuracy of the information presented in your lawsuit. Conclusion. We've covered the first 8 critical steps in creating a lawsuit template. It's important to understand that while preparing your lawsuit can be undertaken, it's essential to consult with a qualified attorney to review your work, make necessary adjustments, and represent your case in court. Legal professionals possess the expertise and experience needed to ensure that your lawsuit is meticulously prepared and fully compliant with all legal requirements. But here's where it gets real. In the next part of this video series, I will be sharing my journey as I piece together my actual lawsuits. I'll delve into the details of what needs to be included, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. My lawsuits, which will be 2 separate ones, have been meticulously crafted, and while I won't reveal all the cards in this video series, I'll provide enough information to let the respondents know that I am utterly serious and they have significant challenges ahead. Consider these videos a clear message. I'm telegraphing my intent and demonstrating that I'm far more knowledgeable and resourceful than they might have initially believed. But that's not all. In addition to my lawsuits, I will also be sharing a video series on how to make a complaint against attorneys with the California State Bar. Some attorneys seem to think they are above the laws and the rules that govern their licenses to practice law. I won't stand for it, and I will be pursuing my complaint against 2 California attorneys. Stay tuned for these upcoming videos as we embark on a journey towards justice and accountability. It's time to shine a light on those who have infringed upon our rights and to show that the law is a force to be reckoned with.